Hi, my name is Tiffany C. Wright, and I am the owner of the Resourceful CEO. My firm provides services to B2B companies to help them restructure or to install the structure necessary to drive strong cash flow, higher profitability, and greater owner flexibility. What that means is that we help you, or I help you, achieve what you intended to achieve when you started, acquired, or expanded your firm. So, by working with you, there are 4 goals that I'm here to help you achieve. 1 is peace of mind. 2 is financial freedom. 3, legacy preservation. And 4 is the freedom to do or to pursue whatever new adventures you want to. I do this through a multi-tiered process that starts with business analysis. And then I deliver these results to you through either working with you as a consultant, as a fractional COO, or as an advisor or board member for those of you who are far along and just need someone to help you stay on track. Please click on the resourcefulceo.com/schedule in order to schedule a free 20-minute consult. We'll walk through your issues and decide if we're a good fit, and if so, how I can help you. Thank you.